So my name is Jenny Chen. I'm from Singapore and I'm an artist currently based in Berlin. A few months ago I did a residency in Girona, which was part of the ETEC program. And one of the projects that I realized in Girona was this intervention in public space entitled Dissipation. This intervention consists of 4 ice blocks that will form using water collected directly from the river Onya. And later on they were being placed on one section of the river where people can look at the whole intervention over from the bridge. And this installation is a time-based installation, which means that the whole duration of this intervention depends on the time it takes for the whole 4 ice blocks to completely melt, and eventually goes back to the river. So with this project, what I'm trying to say is, as human beings, our desire to establish one's solid presence or permanence in the physical world, and while constantly being challenged by the influx of nature. And so this is almost like a symbolic kind of presentation or portray of this desire.